Hello, David Bradley here. Welcome back to the pet room. Oh. So, I went and found a couple of things. If you remember from before, this pet has this funny pattern on the screen, and I couldn't get the little holder thing down. But before I get anywhere near here with a screwdriver, oh dear, I have a screwdriver. The little holder thing here does seem to be too far in. Aha. Now I may have got it too far out now. I don't know. But I can always push it back a bit. I can. And the other thing I got when I was upstairs is this chip puller. Alpine brought this to me at the World of Commodore. He did a wonderful gesture. It was, and it's basically a screwdriver with a bend. That's all it is. Screwdriver with a bend. But it does make chip removal much easier. So, my gut tells me that this thing has some bad RAM chips in the screen RAM. So I'm going to try something. And I think maybe next video I'll get a better view inside the machine. I'm taking out one of the screen RAM chips. The one I just arbitrarily decided I would take out the one on the right. Now I'm taking out a RAM chip that is the same as the screen RAM chip, and I will mind the witness mark, and perhaps I will put on some glasses to get a better view, and I will line this up ever so carefully. And I will put it in. Uh-oh. Damn it. Oh, no. I bent a leg. Oh, no. I was being oh so careful. But one of the legs on this RAM chip got bent. I don't know if you can see that. I can sure see it. And it is disturbing. Damn. Well, I will use this thing here. Somewhat, sort of, kind of. To try. Oh, I can't really reach it. You know what? I'm going to set that one aside. I'm going to yank out another one. With great care and reverence. More so than the last time. Oop, my glasses are falling off. I will get that leg straight. Aha. Okay, so as I take this one out, I notice there's a bit of a bend on that pin. Just a bit. How are the rest? Well, that one's a little bit bent too. I didn't really check those ones carefully enough. Oh. All right. They seem happy and all lined up. They do. So once again, I will mind the witness mark, and with great care, Now, the other thing I wonder is if there's socket trouble here. Okay, it seems to be on. So I think I will turn this on, see if the screen looks any different. And it does not. So, what does that mean? Well, there's another screen RAM chip in here. So maybe that's the culprit. Okay. We'll take that out. I'm going to set it there in the same configuration to which it came out, so I know which was left and which was right. Sounds reasonable. And then I will pull out another RAM chip, and I will very carefully check. The pins all look fine. The machine is off, which of course it would be. And then, sorry, I would do this with my other, where that pin looks a little bit, not bent sideways, just in a bit. And that could cause trouble. Alright, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take my overpriced flashlight. Okay, come on. Let's get you all lined up. Alright. So we've changed both the screen RAM chips. And we'll turn it on. Huh. Well, that's exciting. Oh, it looks much the same. Just checking the witness mark on here. So it may or may not be one of the screen RAM chips, but keep in mind, I don't know if these chips that I just pulled out were any better than the ones that were in there. I don't know. I'm gonna just wiggle all the connectors here. Still feeling around for anything that looks or feels remarkably hot. And as I think these chips kind of like to work in pairs, I'm going to yank out another one of these. Let's see what's what. Seems okay. I'm going to try turning this on again and just see if that makes any difference at all, which I'm sure it will not. And indeed, it does not. So, I will take out the original replacement from the right socket. I will examine the pins. They all look fine. I will take this one. And it is possible that I would have multiple bad RAM chips in a thing like this. You just never know. Usually they don't all look the same. And this looks much the same. So I may or may not be barking up the wrong tree. I may. What I think I will do now is, once again, with great care and reverence, take the chip puller, stick it underneath this chip here. I'm not sure what it is, but I've often heard a good thing to do is to take chips out and reseat them, because of course we could be dealing with micro corrosion. we could be. And now that I have done that, I'm not sure which way this chip is in. That's a foolish thing to not make note of. Okay, well, it's back in. Let's see if we have anything different here. Just the same. Not surprising. Okay. So now, this chip here, maybe I can read it. I will make note. The witness mark is to the left. And it's funny, most of the chips in here, they are witness mark to the right, but there is one that is not, and this could be it. I have reading glasses on. 6520. Okay. I think I'm going to yank out the keyboard connector for this second. I think. Holy crap. Now put up a fight and move this cord so I can get this in a little easier. But do I think this is making any difference to the screen display? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. And indeed, it does not make any difference at all. Not surprising. But, you know, disturbing nonetheless. Alright, I'm going deep. Way into the back. Now I guess what I really need to do at some point, because this machine does seem to be putting up a bit of a fight, is making note of the witness mark. Is really be checking these chips into another machine, because you never know. Multiple failures. I mean, boy, and this stuff is so tiny on here. Even with these reading glasses, I think this is the 6502. I think it is, but I'm really not sure. And even the light, I mean, I know the lighting sucks here at the moment. Anyway, I will attempt re-entry. Oh dear, I got a pin. Damn it. Damn it. How bad is it? Not as bad as the last one. I should be able to get this back into a happy configuration with just my fingers. See, the one thing with the pet, it is tough, and you know, Rudy's Judgmental has just made a thing that lets you take a pet board out and look at it through another monitor, and that's handy because when you're getting way into the back here, it is difficult with all the stuff around to get everything just so. Alright, let's see if that made any difference, and I'm sure it won't. And it does not. Alright, well, so much for a quick fix. It was worth a try. But it's not happening. Oh well. I will ponder this and see what we do next time through. I'm not sure. Like this almost looks as old as the old originals. And I'm not sure if I have one of those handy to double check things with. But, oh, something has changed on the screen. Okay, hang on here. Okay, it was just the blocks. We are now seeing, I I don't know if you can see this better, some random characters, different than the blocks, and some letters, and some other things. Now, what is the significance of this? I don't know. I really don't. One thing I do know from what I know, oh, now it's switched back. Interesting. Very interesting. Alright, I think I do have this little leg a little too far out now. I can do that later. Let's just touch on things. Aha! Okay, I touched on the back two chips in the very back, and the screen has changed. Especially the very back corner chip. Interesting. What does that mean? I don't know, but I will investigate. So we'll see you next time. We'll see if we can figure anything else out about what is what here. Thanks for coming to the pet room. David Bradley, signing off. Bye for now.